morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. It's a little chilly out here this morning, but it's going to warm up pretty fast. We're going to take advantage of the warmth and try to work on our hail-resistant cattle panel tunnel. And it might not be the way you would get it done, but you know us, we're going to get it done. So come along with us. So we got 6 panels here. I think it's going to work out really good. This is the space that I'm used to working with. We brought in a really thick layer of mulch. And there's cardboard somewhere down there. Yep, there it is. We are going to do no weed garden this year. Hopefully it works out good for us. What really surprised me was how damp the soil is. It's super damp. And it's already turning to dirt. So I'm really happy with that. We put it in October, and I think it's going to do really good for us. Let's see if our rhubarb's going to come back up. I don't see any signs yet. We'll keep looking for it. I think I did. Yep. It's going to start coming up pretty soon. So the plan is, after we get all these cattle panels wired together, I am going to put this fabric on it, and this will break the hail up when the hail hits it. So it'll break it and just break the hail open so it won't damage the garden. It's usually not a problem down, I guess that's probably about 3 feet down to the ground. It's this top that the hail will go through and damage all of the garden. So I'm going to start the fabric about 3 feet off the ground and go all the way around to 3 feet off the ground on the other side. That will stop the hail, I hope. We will find out. You like my nails? They're so cute. We finished the cattle panel tunnel. Got our fabric, our 1/4 inch fabric on there. It's about 2 feet off the ground where it starts. We got 4 panels of fabric on here, which is 100 feet of fabric. Now we just wait a couple more weeks and I can start planting. The hubby backed the truck up here for me because this is the mulch that I'm going to put into my flower garden. I want to reduce the amount of weeds in my garden, and I couldn't put it in last fall because all of my tulips are starting to come up and I didn't know where they were. So I had to wait till tulips started coming up. So I'm going to get that done. So here is that finished project we did. Really cleaned everything up. All my little perennials are starting to come up. Birds are really singing this morning. The wind blew this down and broke it. It's part of my garden decor. Everything is coming up really fast, just all of a sudden these tulips are blooming. Hopefully we can keep a better track of the weeds